Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix PDF can't process in DeepSeek. So if you also want to fix PDF can't process in DeepSeek, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So DeepSeek platform is gaining a lot of popularity these days. That is why there are several users in DeepSeek. You might have noticed whenever you're trying to upload PDF on DeepSeek, it shows PDF can't process. So this might happen because of several reasons. The main reason why this happens is because of overuse. There are several users using the DeepSeek platform at the same time. That is why there is problem with DeepSeek server. Once the DeepSeek updates its system, all of the features will work smoothly. The overall application will run smoothly and you will not encounter any problem. So once DeepSeek updates the system, your problem can be fixed. But sometimes this problem can also be because of several other reasons. The first reason for this problem might be because your application is not updated. If you're not using the latest version of application, you might encounter this problem. So in that case, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. After that, what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in DeepSeek. Now over here, you'll be able to find the application for DeepSeek. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, uninstall and update. Simply tap on the update option that you can see on the screen. Now after the application is updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to find the option for open. Now your application has been updated and your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of your application. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open the app library of your device. Now over here, find the application for DeepSeek. Once you find the application for DeepSeek, all you have to do is long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to the app info interface of DeepSeek. You'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for storage and cache. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. What you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Now after that, the cache of your application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install the application again. After that, your problem will be fixed and it will no longer show PDF can't process whenever you're uploading PDF. So that is how you fix PDF can't process in DeepSeek. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.